I swear it's just like Poland. What is this?
Got it. Got it.
This is a car?
Got it, yes. Electric, got it.
Oh,
yes.
Wait, hold on, wait. This yours? Is it yours or no?
No, it's the company that you work for. This man.
Yo, hold on, wait. I gotta see this. Hey, I never seen a vehicle like this. I never seen a vehicle like this. I never seen a vehicle like this. What the fuck? What? Slika, don't cara.
Slika.
Bro, wait, how's you driving that? Yo, you gotta let me try it. I ain't gonna lie, teach me. Teach me how to drive it. How you drive it though? How you, where the gas? How you brake?
Press this.
Down? Oh shit! Oh. Wait, y'all stop. No, stop. Oh, hell no. Hey, hell no. How you brake on that? You can't even brake on that shit. The fuck? Hey, you got it, bro.